To set a Telegram username, do this. Click on the hamburger menu that's the menu icon or hamburger menu by the left top corner. Where you see my profile, click on my profile. If you already have a username, you will see it there, username, and you see your username there. Not every Telegram user has a username. By default, the username is not created for you. You have to go and create one. If it's already created, you will see it here. If it's not, you see where there's a pencil icon or edit icon at the top of this interface. Those three dots beside the pencil, click on it. You will see, if you have not created, you will see username, add username. But if you have created, you will see change username. In this list, you should see the button for you to either create or change your username in this list. So do as you're supposed to do. Let's assume you want to create. Now something like this will open up for you. Type your username. Remember, usernames are unique. You can't answer a username someone is already answering. So pick a unique username that nobody has collected, and once you are done, click on the tick icon by the right top corner, and that should be all. When you have done this, any bot or Telegram bot that requires username will quickly be activated.